Did you know that people like you have been making over $50,000 on YouTube with this process? Even some are making over 100k a month from YouTube. With this method, you will be making more money than even from your full-time job by just spending 50 minutes a day on this method on YouTube. Even me, the owner of this YouTube channel, I have been making money with this in several niches with different type of YouTube play button. But without further ado, let's get into work. In this video, the simple way or the easy way that I'm going to show you is the car niche. The car niche, with this niche you will be able to make your first $100 on YouTube, but not even $100, you'll be able to make your first $1,000 on YouTube. Let me show you some example channels that are making it on YouTube. So if you go right now to YouTube, we search about the card video because we are making about card video. We just search to the search bar card video and let us see a lot of card video. So let's type it card video. We see card memory, card videos, card voice, card sound. And if we search for card video, we see it is loading. So me wait a moment, let it load, and let us see. Some are getting even 91 million view, 29 million view, and some are getting more than even this. Some are getting even over 100 million view on their YouTube channel. Me see with this only card video, and they are uploading it daily. And some I even see a channel with this niche, they are only upload 6 videos to their YouTube channel, and they have over 1 million subscribers to their YouTube channel with only upload this video. And some are even getting 80 million views, and some are getting a lot more than even this. So this is the car niche. So this, and they are making a lot of money through this. Okay, you see the channel is now, but how to get the video? Now, since you don't need to film or do a voiceover to get the video, let's get in back to YouTube and search for card video. Okay, right now if you go to YouTube, we go to the sidebar and search for card video. We see a lot of people are searching even for this card video, card sound, and some others. So if we search for card video, we still see the video that we see on YouTube, card video and other, but there are videos that have over 20 minutes long to YouTube, and they just, even this YouTube channel, they upload this video 16 hours ago, and this video have 14k views, 14,000 views, and the video is 20 minutes long. So if you want, you may download that video, and I can show you the way that you can do and get this short video and upload it to your YouTube channel. If you search for funniest, you may see this also have over 1 minute, over 1 hour long, and this one have over 1 hour long and 48 minutes, and the video, they only upload this video 1 month ago to their YouTube channel and 13 million views ago. And you will see all of these, they are only uploading this card video. Even this guy uploaded the card video, they have a 108 million view, they uploaded 6 years ago. So if you want this video right now, you may scroll and search, you may scroll and take the 1 hour long. Even this one, 38 million views, and they are only, this is the best niche to me to make money on YouTube. So you may see this one 12 minutes and 29 minutes long, 8 minutes, and some even getting 8 hours, and some are even, you may see this short, you may see this one 16 minutes long. So the best way to do this, you may take this video, new funny video. We see this one have 6.8 million views, they only uploaded 1 month ago. So they only uploaded 1 month ago to their YouTube channel, and this video have 6.8 million views. So let us go to their YouTube channel and check how much video this YouTube channel have. This YouTube channel have 72 video, and they have more than 300k subscribers. They are only uploading long video. So this is the best place to take the video, cut any TV. So if you come to this place right here, you may see a lot of video, but to download it, let's click at these 3 buttons at the corner to get the video to our mobile phone and download it. So you may not click download, just click share, and to get the video you may click share. If we click share, then now you may see the place to get the video, me just click copy link. So if we click copy link, this we may click this copy link and the link may save to our mobile phone. So after copying the link, now there are some website where we can go and get the video for free and download it to our mobile phone. So if we come to this website is Google. Let's search for video downloader or YouTube video downloader. If we search for YouTube video downloader, you may see, or if you don't know how to search, just search SS YouTube video. You may see the YouTube video downloader. So we may click that website, YouTube video downloader or YouTube video downloader, a 4K and some stuff like that. So if we click this YouTube video downloader, so if it come, you may see ssyoutube.com online video downloader. So the best place to download it is to click this one and download our video into our mobile phone. It's free to download your video right here. But also if you have vidmate, you may use vidmate to download your video for free and edit it, and I will show you everything at the ending. But if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. So this is the official website. All we need now is to paste the link that we copy from YouTube and paste it right here. You may see paste your video link here, online video downloader. So you may paste the link that we download or the link that we copy from YouTube, and you may click that arrow, the red arrow. Then if you click the red arrow, you may see 720 MP4. You may click 720 MP4. That is the download that we may choose. If you download 360 MP4, I may not say it may not good, but it may be different from the YouTube video. So click that one. If you click that one, now you have already downloaded. So after downloading now the video, now we go to insert to edit our video. But also if you have CapCut, you may use this one to edit your video. If you have KineMaster 2, you may use it to edit your video. Let's get into video and click new, because we are creating a new video, and select the video one and click that video and edit our video. So we may find the video. So after choosing the one that you like or the video that you are about to edit, you may see like this one on the video. So this is the video that we are talking about. Or the video, you may need to make it 60-minute long or 50-minute long for YouTube short, and we need to open it to look like a YouTube short, because this is the right YouTube video. So we are making YouTube short, we are not making a YouTube long form video. So click Canva. Just drag the screen like how you want it. Let me see, I just change it to like Instagram Reel, because Instagram Reel and YouTube Short, they are all the same on your mobile phone. Just look how just make it 30-second long or 15 minutes to 60-second long. So we have already choose the part that we want. Now we may save it to our mobile phone. So by doing this way and saving it to your mobile phone, and after that, now you have already have the YouTube short version. Now you have your YouTube short video. With this method, you will post 2 videos every day, 1 video in 8 o'clock and 1 video in 6 o'clock. With this way, you will be start to generate money on YouTube. So thank you for watching, and make sure don't forget to subscribe for more video.